Stop scrolling right now. You're about to discover 15 gadgets so genius, you'll wonder how you survived without them. From tech that solves problems you didn't know you had to tools that make everyday tasks effortless, this list is packed with innovation. Links to every single one? Check the description. Don't wait. Let's dive in. 1. Can Slab Ultra Blade. The can opener revolution. Ever slice your finger on a jagged can lid? That ends today. The Can Slab Ultra Blade Pro is a one-touch electric can opener that does all the work for you. Press once, walk away. It automatically stops when done, cuts along the side edge, and leaves a perfectly smooth, safe lid, no sharp edges anywhere. USB rechargeable with a 2000 mAh battery that opens 120 plus cans on a single charge. Quiet operation. Fast cutting. Magnetic lifter grabs the lid so you never touch it. Perfect for busy kitchens, seniors who struggle with manual openers, or anyone tired of wrestling with traditional tools. This is how cans should be opened in 2025. 2. Mini drill pen. Precision in your pocket. Looks like a pen. Acts like a professional power drill. The Aromax mini drill pen delivers portable precision for jewelry, wood, plastic, and circuit boards. Adjustable RPM up to 900 with 5-speed control means delicate work stays clean, not ruined. OLED display shows your exact speed setting. Built-in LED lights illuminate dark workspaces. Includes 10 titanium-coated bits stored in a magnetic box. Tool-free bit changes happen in seconds. USB-C rechargeable, ultra-portable, fits in your pocket. If you do DIY crafts, electronics repair, or any detail work, this tool saves hours of frustration. Small size, pro-level results. 3. Driveway alarm. Know before they arrive. Someone pulls into your driveway at night. You know instantly before they reach your door. This wireless driveway alarm covers up to half a mile with reliable motion detection from 35-50 feet away. Detects cars and people, not small animals or environmental changes, drastically reducing false alarms. Weather-resistant design works in rain, snow, heat, all year round. Plug-and-play installation, mount the sensor, plug in the receiver, done. No Wi-Fi required. No app needed. Front gate, driveway, garage, backyard, you're alerted the moment someone enters your property. Peace of mind handled. 4. Fingerprint gun safe, security meets smart tech. Your nightstand drawer isn't secure. This is. The biometric gun safe opens in under half a second using fingerprint, PIN code, or backup key. High-performance scanner ensures instant, reliable access when it matters most. But here's where it gets smart. The top surface is a wireless charging station for your phone and smartwatch. No extra cables cluttering your nightstand. Bright LED screen displays time, humidity, temperature, and battery status. Alarm clock function with adjustable brightness and silent mode for discreet nighttime access. Interior LED illumination ensures quick retrieval in complete darkness. Spacious 0.71 cubic feet interior safely stores firearms, cash, jewelry, or important documents. One device, zero compromise. 5. Devoom Times Gate. Your desk's new personality. Your desk looks boring. This cyberpunk digital clock changes everything. The Devoom Times Gate features 5 100/208 IS 128 pixel LCD screens displaying animated GIFs, custom pixel art, live time, weather updates, and social media notifications. Control everything from your phone via the Devoom app. Design your own pixel art or download creations from a global community of artists. Compact, stylish, plug-in powered with reliable Wi-Fi connectivity. Perfect for gaming rooms, streaming setups, or offices. This isn't just a clock, it's a statement piece that gives your workspace actual personality. 6. Shoe dryer. Never wear wet shoes again. Wet shoes after rain, snow, or a long hike? Don't wear damp footwear tomorrow. This portable shoe dryer pushes warm thermal convection air 105-140F through boots, sneakers, and gloves, drying them overnight without shrinking or damage. Measures just 9.8 x 4.5 x 2.9 inches. Use it at home or plug it into your car's 12V adapter during road trips. Work boots, ski boots, hiking shoes, gloves, drop them in, turn it on, forget about it. Silent operation. No smell, no damp mornings. Your shoes wake up dry and ready before you do. 7. Basius Travel Plug, one adapter for 200 plus countries. Still traveling with 3 different chargers and a tangled mess of cables? Stop. This all-in-one adapter works in over 200 countries across Europe, Asia, USA, UK, and Australia. 4 plug types built in, just slide to the region you need. Pull out the built-in USB-C retractable cable. Boom! 45-watt fast charging. Charge 6 devices simultaneously: phone, tablet, laptop, earbuds, smartwatch, camera. Small enough for your pocket, powerful enough for your entire setup. No cable chaos, no dead battery panic at the airport. This is the one travel gadget smart travelers never skip. 8. Digital wall clock. Massive, bright, customizable. Ever squint at your clock and still can't tell the time? Not with this. This 13.7-inch digital wall clock is massive, bright, and crystal clear from across the room. Wall mount or desk placement? Your choice. Choose from 11 RGB display colors and 10 night light modes to match your room's vibe. 10-level adjustable brightness with auto-dimming ensures it's never blinding at 3 a.m. Dual alarms with snooze function. Countdown and count-up timers for workouts or tasks. Temperature display. Remote control included. Perfect for bedrooms, gyms, gaming setups, classrooms or offices. Big display, smart features, zero effort. 9. Kineon Move Plus red light therapy that actually works. Sore joints after workouts or long workdays. This wearable device delivers targeted relief. The Kineon Move Plus uses powerful red and near-infrared light therapy combined with medical-grade lasers to penetrate deep into muscles and joints. Strap it on knees, shoulders, hips, or anywhere that hurts. Just 10-15 minutes daily boosts circulation, speeds recovery, and eases stiffness. No pills, no shots. Hands-free design lets you move around during treatment. Backed by extensive photobiomodulation research proving its effectiveness for pain and inflammation. Portable, non-invasive, and made for real relief. Pain doesn't stand a chance. 10. Seno Printer Go. Print on your coffee. Ever seen a printer that prints directly on coffee? This one does. Drop the Seno Printer Go onto a latte, dessert, cocktail, or any beverage. Upload any image, logo, or text through the dedicated app via Wi-Fi. Edible ink prints it perfectly in seconds. Cafes use it for branding. Party hosts use it for wow factor. Creators use it to go viral on social media. No mess, no special skills. Just press print and watch your food become content. 11. Pickup tool. Never lose another screw. Drop a screw and it disappears into the void? This magnetic pickup tool saves you instantly. Compact at 6.8 inches, extends to 22.5 inches to reach tight spaces. Strong magnetic end grabs bolts, screws, nuts, and metal tools from dark corners. Super bright LED illuminates under cars, behind furniture, inside engines. 360-degree flexible neck bends to any angle. Includes 8 LR44 batteries and a pocket clip. Built tough for daily use. If you fix stuff, build stuff, or just hate losing stuff, this little tool is a game changer. 12. Cell phone stand, speaker plus, stand-in-one. Watching videos with weak phone speakers and no stand? Not anymore. This 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker features a detachable magnetic phone stand. Snap it on, set your angle, hit play. Instant hands-free entertainment. Dual stereo speakers deliver clear, balanced sound with enhanced bass. Adjustable viewing angles with anti-slip bass keep your device stable. Bonus: 10 soothing white noise modes for sleep or focus, plus an auto-off timer. At home, outdoors, FaceTime, gaming, one gadget does it all. Simple, smart, everyday useful. 13. Rack Multi-Tool Pen. 11 tools in your pocket. You think it's just a pen until something breaks. The Rack Multi-Tool Pen packs 11 tools in heavy-duty aluminum construction: lead light, stylus tip, rulers, bubble level, bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, and more. Loose screw? Fixed. Dark corner? Light on. Quick measurement? Done. Includes 2 ink refills for smooth writing. Lightweight, portable, actually gets used, not forgotten in a drawer. Perfect for work, home, car, or as a thoughtful gift. One pen, countless saves. 14. Sinlinzo LED flashlight. Turn night into day. Power goes out. This turns darkness into daylight. The Sinlinzo LED flashlight delivers up to 90,000 lumens with an upgraded LED chip bright enough to light up an entire field. Adjustable focus, zoom in for long-distance spotlighting, or zoom out for wide-area floodlighting. 7 modes plus cob sidelight with 4 functions adapt to any environment. 8 15-hour battery life. IPX7 waterproof rating. Durable aluminum body with heat-resistant design. Camping, emergencies, road trips, this thing handles everything. Rain, snow, doesn't care. Built like a tank, this isn't a flashlight. It's peace of mind in your hand. 15. Contour gauge. Perfect cuts every time. Ever mess up a cut because the shape wasn't straight? This tool fixes that instantly. This connectable contour gauge features a 10-inch splicing function that extends to 20 inches for larger projects. Press it against any surface, lock it, transfer the shape, cut perfectly. Graduated in inches and centimeters for easy reading. Adjustable tension and lock feature ensure consistent accuracy. No guessing, no remeasuring. Snap 2 pieces together for extra wide shapes. Perfect for flooring, tiles, pipes, trim, wallpaper, auto bodywork, woodworking, or any DIY project. One move, perfect fit. If you do home upgrades or carpentry, this tool saves time, money, and frustration. That's 15 insane gadgets that actually improve your life. No gimmicks, no junk, just clever innovation solving real problems. Hit like, smash subscribe for more mind-blowing tech, and check the description for direct links to grab these yourself. Stay curious, stay gadget smart,